Hi, and welcome back again to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to delete thousands of unread emails in Gmail. Deleting thousands of unreaded emails in Gmail can be sometimes annoying, especially if not necessary. So, here are the things or the steps to clear out the thousands of unreaded emails in your Gmail. First is to turn on your PC and log into your Windows. Then open a web browser. You can use the Chrome, Edge, or any browser you prefer to. Then go to the Gmail website and make sure to sign in to your account. In the Gmail search bar, you can type is colon unread and then press enter. Gmail will display all unreaded emails at once. Then click the select all checkbox at the top of the email list, and the message will appear saying some conversations are not selected. Click select all conversations that match this search, or you can click the filter box and choose and read. Click the delete trash icon. Confirm the action if prompted. Then go to the trash folder on the left sidebar. Click empty trash now. Then confirm to permanently delete all unreaded emails at once. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.